From finding love in the spotlight to building a life far beyond it, Matty J and Laura Byrne have really done it all. We've watched their romance unfold, their careers take off, and even seen their family grow.
Hey!
The beloved fixtures of our airwaves, our screens, our social feeds, they have built an amazing life together. Now, with two gorgeous girls, Marley, May and Lola, a three-legged dog, Buster, and a new baby on the way, somehow they've found time to sit down for a chat with me. Laura, Matty, you have so much going on right now. How is baby number 3 going to impact everything?
We don't know. There are moments where we look at each other and we're like, oh my gosh, what are we getting ourselves into?
And I think for anyone who runs their own businesses and has kids at the same time, you figure out the juggle, but maternity leave is also not something that's just a given. It's just not. With Marley and Lola, our businesses were not in a place where I was able to take leave at all, and I was back to work like 2.5 weeks postpartum, which is crazy.
Yep.
And I feel as though this time we're so lucky because we have so much support, because I think I can actually step back a little bit, and I'm so confident that like the team at Tony May have things covered, the team at Life Uncut have things covered, radio has things covered. So I feel less worried than what I did with number 1 and number 2. I might regret saying that, but at the moment I feel less worried, yeah.
Sometimes people are like, number 3 is always easy. And I'm like, really? Promise?
No,
and then someone's like, oh, my 3rd almost destroyed me. And I'm like, I'll delete that comment, put that to the side.
So how do you keep the sanctity of this together? Because you are so driven career-wise, that your careers are just both like this, and you've got kids, you're adding another one. When's just the you time?
I think we're really fortunate in that the core of the relationship, we genuinely love each other so much.
Yeah, and we're best friends. Like we spend all of our time together when we're not actually working.
There are periods where we're so focused on work, the kids.
Yeah.
You know, having a social life as well, that sometimes it's easy for the relationship to be put on the back burner and not get the attention that it needs.
But I also think a really big thing is making sure we always talk to each other when opportunities come up, and the question is always, well, how does that affect our family?
On top of everything, you have also renovated a home. What are your top tips from your experience?
A really big thing, and we weren't as good with this as what I wish we had been, but like making sure that you have your budgets in place and you stick to options that actually coincide with those budgets.
With a little help with my very capable assistant, today we are finishing off the garage. We are painting the concrete floor.
I feel like that there needs to be a bad cop in parenting and a bad cop with renovations.
That was
someone that's like,
you're the renovation bad cop, and I'm the parenting bad cop. Yeah.
We just swap hats.
oh, see, this is great. When it comes to money in your life and throughout your relationship, has that always been a conversation you've been happy to have? Has it been easy? Has it been hard?
We were always working towards a similar goal. So I think that's what made it really easy for us to be totally transparent.
What kind of goals are you working towards now?
Not being in debt. Paying off a house.
Great goal.
And I feel like now, you know, I'm itching towards 38 now, Georgie. I'm not a spring chicken anymore.
Yeah.
But you do start to think about retirement a bit more. And
when did you start thinking about retirement?
Have you?
Who hasn't? News to me.
Well, I never paid any attention at all. Like, Super was like, I don't care about that.
Yeah, but no, that's true. You do care about that stuff now.
And then also, like, do we need to try and set up our kids financially as well?
Yeah.
I honestly don't really quite understand how you fit it all in. If you would be so kind, you've been so open, so honest. Are you up for playing Paddles of Truth?
I thought you never asked.
Game's pretty simple. I'm just going to ask quick-fire questions and then you put up who it actually goes with best, okay?
Great. Okay.
Who is the best at budgeting? Both right, okay. Who is the biggest impulse buyer?
Yeah.
Okay, it's planned impulse.
No, that's a lie. What about
You can't.
spearfishing stuff?
That was planned impulse. I'm now a spear fisherman.
He'd only been once and then bought all the gear. So
I went to have a look and they had a sale on.
On sale, you've made money.
Thank you.
Who does the grocery shopping?
I would say me over you, but at the moment, Nana.
Actually, no, we need a
Different paddle.
We need a third head.
But I would say if your mum's not around, it's me.
What?
Yeah, that one's me. We can give me that one. Yeah.
A wise man once told me never cross a pregnant woman, so I will say yes, it's Laura.
If I had $100 here and I gave it you each $100, who could make it last longest?
I mean, I think both of us could if we had to.
I'd spend that in a second.
That was Paddles of Truth.
I love it.
Still happily married at the end of it.
Can we keep these?
You can keep them.
Yay!
What are you going to do with them?
Give them to the kids.
Oh, that actually, they would love them.
They would love it.
They would really love them.